Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are bringing you a versatile, modern Mediterranean 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City. This property has a total floor area of approximately 857 square meters and a lot area of 397 square meters. And let's begin this tour. The first thing that you notice here is that wide frontage, maximizing that beautiful Mediterranean design for the facade. Now let's go. And here you have your main entry leading towards your elevated ground level. Let's go. Look at this double-doored entrance and the scale of this door. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your grand foyer space, and you see that you immediately have such a high ceiling for your main amenity area. And this is such a unique aspect of the design that you have this sliding glass door here, which slides into the wall right here, leading towards your swimming pool amenity space. From this vantage point, you can appreciate the access towards your swimming pool from the main entry, and this sliding door leads towards your dining area. So imagine you can open this up and you have amazing ventilation throughout the property. You also have an outdoor shower area right here for your convenience. And now let's head back in. From your swimming pool and foyer area, you immediately have access to an elevator, which can take you up to the second level and to your lower ground level where you have your parking, which we will explore in a little while. But now, let's take a look at your main living space. Have a high ceiling with that ceiling fan, which has a modern look but at the same time fits the Mediterranean feel of the entire home. And you already have air conditioning units for your main living and dining spaces as well. Another great feature of your main living area is you have this sliding door leading out to a private garden area. Also have sturdy quality screens here. So if you'd like to just have the screen as the barrier, you once again have incredible ventilation from end to end of the property. And now from here, let's take a look at your dining space. This is one of the primary hubs of the property because you can access all the main amenity areas from here. You have such a high ceiling, a beautiful view of your swimming pool, and you can even open up this sliding door once again, leading to the back of the house. And from here, you can see that you can fit a large table for 8, 10, maybe even 12 people if you lay it like this. And from here, you have your main clean, modern kitchen. great aspect of this room is you can even completely close it off, especially if you're doing heavy cooking inside. And then having it open immediately gives you such a great feel, and once again, that ventilation can benefit this room as well. And you already have appliances here in terms of a refrigerator, a range hood, and an oven with a 5-burner cooktop. To further maximize the space, you even have a pantry room on top of the generous storage for the entire room. Now from here, this is one of the most thoughtfully designed areas of the house. We're now going to go to the service areas of this property. Let's go. Now we're here at the lower ground level of the property, and check this out. You already have an area where you can hang clothes, and for your safety, the designers made sure that the gas tank storage is outside. And now let's head on over here towards your auxiliary kitchen. Here we are at your auxiliary kitchen, which is set up as a stainless steel meal prep area. You have plenty of ventilation here, care of 3 windows, and you even have a ceiling fan. And from here, you have access towards the service areas of the house. Let's go. And now we're here at your staff quarters. Let's take a look at the first room. This is a nice size, and check out even the ceiling height. You have a fan here, and it has its own bathroom right here. Check this out. Your staff rooms also have an air conditioning unit. Here is your second staff room with an ensuite bathroom and an air conditioning unit as well. Check this out. You have this ramp leading to your parking area, which shows that this house is also PWD friendly because this gives you wheelchair access. And let's check out your parking area. Are at your parking area, which can very easily fit 3 to 4 vehicles, and you also have an automated gate on top of a pedestrian gate. And from here you can access once again the auxiliary kitchen. From here you have additional storage through this ladder, and let's check out the other important support areas of the home. And here you have your pump room, where you have 2 quality DAB branded water pumps. And this is also where you have your underground water storage. And you have additional storage for your service area right here, and access to your pump area, and even an additional heavy wash space. So that can be a potential heavy wash area for laundry as well. And then you have access here from the ramp towards your elevator. So if you have any family members who are using a wheelchair, this is very convenient as well. This is an additional storage room, and you even have a generator room. This is so well planned, so well designed. There's even access here in case you want to replace this generator in the future. And you have access here towards the side. So on top of your main door, your pedestrian gate on the left side of the house, and your automated gate for your parking, you have an additional service entrance right here leading towards the generator. And you can even maximize the space for an additional area to hang clothes, or even a laundry area, because it's out of sight of any guests of your house. Okay, let's head on in. let me say that this property feels so much bigger than the 397 square meter lot that it's placed on. It feels like it's a 500 square meter lot in terms of the dimensions. I think being a wide frontage lot helps so much in having such a well-designed layout as well. And here you have your staircase leading to a mezzanine space. Now, in terms of safety, an additional barrier can also be placed here. Stairs are easy to climb, and here you have your first room. Now, this is a multi-purpose room positioned at the corner of the property at the front of the house. In terms of the direction of the property, it's facing approximately south-southwest, and you have the east side of the property on the other side. So what's nice here is you have plenty of ventilation, care of these windows, and this is a unique aspect of the design. You have these barriers right here, which give you the feel of having your room as a covered balcony if you open up these windows. And you also have these accordion screens for additional privacy and shade as well. This would make for an excellent study room or home office, but if you'd like to use this as a guest room or bedroom, you have access here towards a bathroom, which also doubles as your powder room. Let's take a look at the access. So it already has a shower area. And through this door, you have access immediately towards your staircase and living area. And let's head on up towards the second floor. The designers of this home maximized your staircase by having large windows giving natural light throughout the hallway of your second level. Let's go. Here we are at your second level where you have 4 rooms. And what's great is since you have an elevator, you have no problem if you have senior family members who prefer to stay up here. Let's take a look right now at your second room. The main difference of this room versus the first room is of course the flooring. That natural wood is a great contrast to the light color of the walls. And check this out, you once again have that ceiling fan with a wooden design but with such a modern look. Okay? And just like the first room, you once again have that unique barrier design right here, giving you that balcony feel for your room if you open up the windows. And of course, this room also has its own bathroom right here with a lighted mirror and Bravat branded fixtures. And I'd also like to point out the quality cabinetry. And let's take a look right here at the third room. Once again, this is a room facing the front of the house. You have all this natural light, great ceiling height, lots of storage, space to potentially have even a queen-sized bed on this side. And then right here you have another ensuite bathroom. And right here, you cannot mistake this room for anything else than being the primary or master bedroom, with these 2 wall lamps emphasizing your double-doored entrance. Let's go. such a spacious room, and this is primarily facing the east side of the property. So this is enjoying the morning sun. You have two large windows on two sides of the room, and you can easily fit a king-size bed right here. Here's another vantage point. And this is also overlooking your swimming pool as well. And right here, you have a double-doored entrance leading towards your walk-in closet space. You have storage on two sides of the room. It's large enough to have its own split-type air conditioning unit. And another aspect that I like is it has its own large window, giving natural light and ventilation to the space. And right here, you have a well-designed primary bathroom with a ceiling fan, separate toilets, separate showers, and separate vanity spaces. And this central area can be a nice dresser space. Okay, let's take a look. Let's head on back towards your main hallway. Here's another great aspect of the design of this property. Check out how wide the hallway space is. This once again gives the feel that this is a 1,000 square meter home. And you also have a high ceiling here in the first level and even in the service area. And right here, to maximize the layout, you even have a linen closet. Another great design aspect is you have a window giving light to the other side of the hallway. So you have natural light coming from both sides of your main hallway in the second level. And right here, you have access towards your elevator and a view of your CCTV cameras for the common areas of the property. And right here, you have your fifth room. This is one of the brightest rooms in the house because of its positioning at the corner of the property with three large windows. And you also have accordion screens right here to give you additional shade, as well as cabinetry right here. And this sliding door gives you access towards your ensuite bathroom. That caps off our tour of this brand new modern Mediterranean home here in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City. Want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message to Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.